What, show that again?
No, I ain't showing you.
Hey, wait, pop your hood, bro. Pop your hood. Morning.
Nope.
Hey, I'm gonna grab the cone from the back. You remember the cone? We're gonna
Like a session out here?
Yeah, we're gonna have a session.
Oh my God.
So it's bright and early, since all the drifting places are closed because of the COVID-19. We're gonna make our own drifting event in a nice little secret, secluded area. So how much did you buy this for?
$400.
$400.
Yeah.
E36.
Yep.
And
With 100,000 miles on it.
but it didn't look like this when you bought it for $400.
No, not at all.
So we got
You did a ton of fun.
$600 SE, $400
E36.
E36. Now, there's a lot of money between both of these cars right now. I mean, he's probably got more money into this thing than I do in my car, but this thing looks really good. Really good. So he says that there's a check engine light. I told him the solution is to do some donuts and get on it.
Well, I was gonna put tape over the light.
You unplug remove the light bulb?
No, just put tape over it.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Gone.
All right, so I got my GoPro. Let's, actually I don't have a GoPro. I'll get it and let's go.
Let's go.
All right. Who's going first, you or me?
I haven't even floored it in this car yet.
That's good, it's a perfect time to try it. You should just do it, go for it.
Yeah, sure, why not?
All right, so he goes first. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna move my car over there.
Good.
How do I feel to get that out your system?
Yeah, it's really good. Super easy to control, super neutral.
Yeah,
This platform's really easy to drive. I think I see why people would drift this thing.
yeah.
It's really, really neutral. It's pretty good.
You're watching RPM? Oh, there's another truck coming. There's another truck coming. Huh? All right, go for it. Yeah. Damn! So, how was your first day back as a man? Getting your cojones back? How'd it feel?
Felt good.
Felt good?
I've been out of the game for a long time.
Yeah.
I feel like I've been building stuff forever. I just haven't driven anything forever.
Well, that's what this day is all about. It's all about, you know, coming out here and driving. You know? Yo, you getting the rub and tug, bruh.
Yeah.
You getting some rub and tug over here. It's more noticeable on the other side. Yeah, look at that. Look at that rub and tug.
Yeah, I didn't like that.
Duh, that thing is really clean, man.
That's $400 spent.
Yeah, you're gonna have to do a separate video on this so we go over all the details.
We'll do the rewind of build that we've been doing for a year that I never documented.
Perfect.
Yes.
Perfect. So since there was a lot of vehicles pulling in and out, we're gonna wrap it up right now. But we plan to come in the future much earlier with a full tank of gas for me and some different wheels for him, just because we don't want to ruin his brand new Michelin Pilot Sports. And yeah, but if you guys like this, subscribe, comment, and give us a thumbs up. Catch you on the next one. Peace.